Oh, Sam is here. This is the second day
of school.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, come on.
But the sixth graders are so short. They're like right here.
Really?
Yes. They're so
You're
short.
just like you before, you're taller. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. You're almost taller than me, look. Guys, oh, malapit na siya mag-ano sa akin. Okay, come on. Sasama si Sam sa amin, guys, sa Walmart kasi naubusan na ng milk si Sawyer. So, bibili kami ng milk. At titingin din kami ng sale doon kung mayroong sale or anong gusto niya na damit or shorts. Wala si Shelton, guys, kasi nasa school pa siya. Naunang nag-out si Sam. Dito na kami sa Walmart. Okay. Okay. Daddy don't have the drinks. Ito yung aming dinner burger. Ayan. Nag-grill ako sa labas ng 6 burger patties. Tsaka ito fresh tomatoes. Tapos lettuce. Tsaka cucumber. Yan. Nagluto pa ko ng French fries sa air fryer. Ito yung aming kakainin tonight. Tapos may leftover na spaghetti. Para maiba naman. Leftover na spaghetti, guys. From yesterday. So, yun yung aming kakainin.
Watermelon.
Okay. Ready na kaming kumain, guys, ng aming dinner. Is it hot?
We're getting root and beer.
Yeah, it's hot now. Here. Oh, that's the top. Okay, Sam. Here's yours.
Yeah, see, I didn't get. What happened to the tomato?
What? It's big because it's
So
big.
lots of lines and it looks like veins.
Huh? Because it's organic. It's fresh.
Mommy! What's here?
Okay, here.
Hey, brother!
Brother.
To get it.
Ooh, that's so big. You don't want tomato? Cucumber? No?
Can you pass me the ketchup, please?
Mm.
Oh, look at that.
Is it good?
I'm an idiot. Now knows everything.
But you don't eat hamburger.
Yeah, you don't eat it.
You don't eat it. Hey? Okay, I'll make you one, okay? Don't scream at me now.
Mom, it's so hot.
I know.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. So, kumakain na sila ngayon, guys. Request nila yan kanina. Tinanong ko kasi kung anong kakainin. Sabi lang hamburger. So, nag-grill ako sa labas. So, good morning, guys. So, ako ngayon maghahatid kay Sam sa school. Ayan siya. Nagpa-braided siya ng buhok sa akin. So, ginawa ko. Tapos, kakain siya ng salad ngayon. Tapos, ihahatid ko siya sa school. Ako muna maghahatid sa kanya kasi tulog pa si asawa. Tulog din si Sawyer. So, walang sasama sa akin. Kundi, siya lang. 7th grade na kasi to siya, guys. Si Shelton naman ay 5th. So, kailangan siyang ihatid sa umaga. Tapos, si Shelton kasi ay sasakay lang siya ng scooter. Siya naman ay ihatid sa umaga. Tapos, pag uwi niya ng 2:30, magbabas na siya. Kasi pag lang siya, pag magbabas siya ng umaga, ang aga kasi, guys, siya gigising. So, pag once na ihatid namin siya, 7:15, aalis na kami dito sa bahay. Hindi masyadong maaga. The 7th grader before, they didn't go to 8th grade. They didn't go to 8th grade?
They didn't pass.
Really? Are they a lot? Are they a lot? Really? Ganun pala yun. Pag hindi pumasa ng 7th grade. Ganun din sa Pinas, di ba? Yung sinabi niya kasi guys is marami daw 7th grade na hindi nagmo-move ng 8th grade. Balik 7th grade pa rin. Mahirap siguro. Yan yung tipong walang gabay sa magulang ba. Kaya hindi sila nakapasa. Hirap talaga yung ganun guys. Kumakain siya ng salad niya for breakfast. So, hatid ko lang si Sam. Hihintay ko lang siya. Kasi magsi 7:15 na. Yung gate kasi nila sa school guys ay, yung pintuan kasi nila sa school ay 7:50 nagbubukas. Kaya 7:50 na rin kami aalis dito. Malapit lang din naman. Mga ano lang guys, mga 5 minutes. I love you. We're gonna look for a sale there.
Yes.
Babalik kami guys sa Walmart dahil marami daw sale ngayon ng mga damit pambata. Titingin ako ng shorts ni Shelton or short ni Samantha o kaya ni Sawyer. Kasi kahapon pumunta kami doon. Wala pang masyadong sale. Ngayon kasi marami na, so titingin-tingin ako doon. Sasama si Sam sa akin at saka si Sawyer. Ito pa guys, ang sale nila. Ang dami nilang sale. For girls. Yes. Let's go to Brothers stuff. Ayan. Yung mga top nila tag $2 na lang. Oh. Wow. Bili ako kay Sawyer.
Oh, is that like mine?
Yeah. Here's $1 here, but you don't have size, Sawyer. $1.
I was had one.
Oh, this is for brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, look.
Let's get it.
Mom, look.
$1.
Mom, look.
Wow.
That's mine.
This yours?
Yeah.
It won't fit on you. It's $5, so it's not $1. We're looking for $1 only. This one is $4. So, ang dami nilang sale guys, oh.
A and C.
So, ayan, kukuha ko kay Sawyer, kay Shelton. It's very nice, oh. $2 lang siya. Kukunin ko nga din to. Kasi $2 lang siya eh. Yan. $10, $12 itong itim. Yan. Is this fit to Shelton? Yeah?
Maybe one size bigger.
14? $2 lang kasi siya guys.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Reebok.
Something like right here.
Yun, oh. Ito pa guys, oh. $2 Reebok. Wow. Fit on him? 10 to 12?
Maybe.
Something like no, huh?
Like, I don't really know.
Maybe I'll get
One size bigger.
Yeah, 14. How much is this? $2. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna get this one. Ayan. Okay. $2 din ito guys. Oh, ganda. Kuha na ako ng 14 kasi. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami kong nakuha $2 guys. So let's see. Push Sawyer Sam. Walang sale dyan. Walang sale doon. $5 lang din to. Pero pang swimming lang siya. Okay, I'll push you.
Mama, this time.
Galit na siya kasi nga yung ano niya. Here, let's find here.
Mom, do you still have the burger?
Yeah, check it in there. There's orange chicken. You have to cook it first. Where is his clothes? Oh, here you go. Oh, where is it? Spoon, nagalit siya dahil yung damit niyang pinili niya kahit malaki. This one? Yeah. Oh, you want
Is that red one mine?
Huh?
Is that red
Here
one?
you go.
Is that red one mine?
Oh, ito yung pinili niya, guys.
Oh, is this mine?
This one! That's the green one!
That's cool.
Yeah.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
This is mine?
Yeah.
I thought this looks like Samantha's.
No. If you want that, it's gonna fit on me.
Is this mine?
Try it. Try. Move over there.
Mom! Let me take this picture.
No. Go. Take it off your shorts.
Let me see it's too
Okay.
big. It would be the same if I...
No, take it off that one. Move over there.
Mom, it's not gonna...
Come on!
I swear if it doesn't fit, you have to get me talkies. Mom, let me see it fit on me.
Okay. Take off your shorts. Gusto nang itry. It's not big. It's come here, babe.
It's
Come
so
here, ba.
long.
Come here.
Mom, it's so long. Let me see it fit.
Because if I try that,
It's long.
come here, lagi. It's only $2, so that's why I got it, Shelton. See, it's fit on you. See? Because you're growing up. When you growing up, oh my gosh. Okay. See? Come on, Sawyer. Okay. Haliyak na siya kasi nga gusto niya i-try yun. Come on, babe. Give it to me. So, let's try it. Okay, let's try it.
It's okay.
It's okay. Hey, don't do that.
Halaka.
Ooh, it's fit, Sawyer. Look at that. Okay, I'll get it. Wow, it's fit.
About my clothes.
Oh, about your clothes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Marunong na siyang mag-shop, guys. Wala pa tong laba. Wala pa tong laba. Malaki to sa kanya. 40. Sige lang, hindi ko siya naliligo. Wow! Malaki pa sa ating kinuha ko na lang dahil sale naman siya. Next year, magkasya to sa kanya. Oh, wow! This one's a... Oh! Okay. Aray ko. Wow! It's fit! Pockets! Oh. Are you happy?
Yeah.
You try on your clothes?
Yeah.
See? Show it to them. Show it to them, ba?
Look at that. Oh, wow.
Oh.
So cute.
Happy na siya, guys.
Mom, this is the second time you went to
I know because I saw a sale. Yung suot ni Sawyer na shorts is $3. Tapos yung top is $1 lang. Tapos ito, guys, Reebok. $2 to siya para kay Shelton. Ito is $3. Shelts, this one, Shelts. Shelts! Look, Shelts!
Oh, that's nice.
$3 lang siya. $7.98 siya dati. Tapos, Shelton, no! T-shirt, $1 para sa akin to. No ba? Ay, naku. Stop laging. Move. 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 Tapos ito, kinuha ko na lang kasi $2 lang naman to siya. Ayan. $2 lang to siya. Tapos, $10 to dati, guys. Yan. Dalawa kinuha ko, yung size 18 at saka size 14. Size 10, 12. Yan. Kasi $2 lang. Tapos, ito, 50 cents.
Wow. It's so green. Yeah, that's a clothes. It's super green. Yeah,
That's it though. You don't like this?
I like it. It's just so green.
The one is like you can practice with this one.
Football?
Yeah.
I already have my own clothes.
This one. $2 lang to siya, guys.
Mom,
Each
no,
of these
Mom.
is $10 original price. Tapos $2 na lang siya.
Mommy.
What?
So my friend, some of my other friends signed up for flag football, and some of them are on the Raiders.
So ito siya, guys. $2 lang to siya. $2 lang din ito. Yan, Reebok. Yan, $2 lang din siya. Grabe. Ito, $1 for Sam. Para sa kanyang ayaw niya itong ipasok sa school. So, gusto niya to pang pagbahay lang siya. Or, tapos ito pa, kay Shelton, Reebok din. Ang gaganda. Tapos ito kay Sam, ang original price ay $12.98. Yan. Ito yung binili ko sa kanya. Tapos, ito kay Sawyer, 99 cents. Terno to siya, guys. Ito, 99 cents din. 99 cents din. Ito, $1. Meron siyang ternong, ayan. Dalawa to, $1. Ayan. Shelton, $1 both for house only. Tapos, 99 cents din. 99 cents din. Ito, terno sila. 99 cents. 99 cents din siya. That's $1 yung panty. 99 cents din to. Dati siyang $4.98. $4.98. So, ito lang siya, guys, ang binili ko. At meron pa kay Sam. Maganda siya, oh. Dati siyang, wala siyang presyo. Tinanggal nila yung presyo, guys. So, ayan. $1. Ang binili ko ito is pink at saka purple. Ayan. Maganda siya. So, yun lang, guys, ang aking binili. Pumunta ako dun sa Walmart kasi bumili lang ako ng shorts ni Shelton kasi nga sale sila. Kaya pumunta ako doon at saka bumili ako ng saging at Clorox. Ayan, saging, Clorox at pabango ng bathroom. So, ayan. Pabango ng bathroom. So, yun lang.